I have pepper, thyme, curry, stockfish, my prawn, bit of curry. My food is ready. And my sister is on the phone with. Hello guys, good morning. Good morning guys. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to another beautiful vlog. If you are new here, my name is Lauren. Please hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell. That when I upload any video, you'll be the first to get notified. How you guys doing? This is the day after Valentine. I didn't go to work. I've not been working this whole week because I've been very sick. I have cold and cough. Yeah, so I think I exposed myself to cold and it's telling on me really bad. So I took 1 week off from work so that I can take off myself because I work with kids. I don't want to get any child, I don't want to let any child contact cold, okay? It's not be easy at all. So yeah. How you guys doing? Today I want to cook. So I'm gonna go to the store to cook and I'm cooking stew and soup. Hopefully I get through it because I have a lot of stuff to do today and I'm gonna edit some videos. I posted a nail video but it didn't get no likes. I posted it on Valentine's Day. It didn't get no views. The views is not even encouraging at all. I don't know if you guys prefer my vlog over my nails. If you do, please put it down in the comment section, whichever one you prefer. If it's the vlog that you prefer, because I see that since I started doing vlogs, my vlogs gets a lot of views than my nail videos. I hope you guys understand. Yeah, I can see the difference between the vlog and the nail videos. So just put it down in the comment section which one you want, or I'm gonna put a question in the community so that when you guys can choose. Do you prefer my vlogs or you prefer my nail videos? Okay, but for me, I feel like you guys prefer the vlogs to the nail video. Please share my videos, subscribe, help me build my channel. Let's build a very strong community. Okay, so yeah, let me just go dress up. I'll be leaving the house soon. I want to go get some from this African market that is close to me. Hopefully they have what I want because I can't go far. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later. When I get there, I'll just show you guys what I got. Things are freaking expensive these days. So let me go get dressed. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, I'm ready to go. I'm getting ready to leave the house. Because I'm leaving the house, I'm gonna spray this all over the house because it's morning. I just want everywhere to smell good. This was a gift from my brother's girlfriend, so I'm just gonna spray this in my room, my living room, the other room, and my bathroom, and then I'll add that. Okay, so guys, I left the house already. It's not cold, but it's very windy. But it's not cold. It's 50, what's it called, 50 something degrees. I have my shopping bag, so I'm just gonna walk down. Oh, look at the sun. Ooh, so I'm just gonna walk down to the store. Hopefully they are open. All this African market, they quit the open. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna walk down there and get whatever I want to get. Hopefully they have everything. If they don't, I have to go to a supermarket, and I don't want to do that because the supermarket is a little bit far from me. So I don't know. Let me see. I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Okay, guys, I'm here. Thank God they have okra. I'm getting okra. I'm gonna get this one. Yeah, I'm getting okra. Look at this pepper. I have a lot of pepper in the house. I'm not gonna get that one. Can you guys see this cat? Yeah, it's too big. So I want to also get sardine. I think this sardine is $1.25. So I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to get 5 of the sardines. I'm going to get this Nigerian pig milk. Yeah, I think I'm going to get 4 of this. My husband loves this milk a lot. There's a lot of noise. This is a store. This pepper, I don't know. I think I'm going to call my mom. Let me call my mom and ask her if she wants fresh pepper. See, very fresh. Calling my mommy. Hi, are you back from school? Okay, you're looking good. Where's mommy? Oh, you want fresh pepper? They get 5 fresh pepper for you. $5. Exactly, yeah. So you just put up for freezer. So guys, I'm done and I'll talk to you guys later, okay? I'm done, just going back home. So it's like 5 minutes walk from my house. So yeah, I'm so happy I found everything I was looking for. It's time to go cook and relax. Noise. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. I'm home. Man, just got home. Let me look for what to eat first because I'm hungry. I don't know the breakfast I'm gonna make, but I want to look for something to eat. I'm so hungry. In my kitchen right now, I'm about to start cooking. I think my head is cutting off. Before anything, my sink is in a mess. I need to wash the dishes. Yeah, before I can start cooking. Done with the dishes, let's get cooking. Okay, I'm cooking stew and soup, ogbono soup, which is okra soup, whatever it is. So I have my chicken already. I'm gonna wash this one and boil them. So let me just do that. And then put it on fire. Okay, I'm done washing the meat. I have shaki in here. I have, which is cow stripe. I have chicken, I have turkey, I have cow legs. Okay, so I have my seasonings. I have all my seasonings put together. I'm just gonna pour it in. I have pepper, thyme, curry, mangi, and salt. My onions is gonna go in. I'm just gonna let this cook. I'm just gonna start cooking it. I'm gonna let it cook to my preference and then I'll come back. Okay, now there's no water. I'm gonna let the water that I have from the meat steam up a little bit and then I'll add more water to it. So I'm gonna be using this today because it's been long I have it in the fridge. And this is my momo. I'm gonna use this momo. It's not cooked yet. I don't cook it too much because it's very soft. I have my leftover one here. Yeah, I have my bacon. This is my bacon I'm going to be using. And I have this biscuit. So yeah. So I'm going to use this as waffles. I'm going to make waffles for myself. And get some scrambled eggs. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm going to make some waffles for myself with this one. And then I'll make some scrambled eggs, bacon, and my iced coffee. My food is ready and this is my coffee. I made it and my sister is on the phone with me gossiping. Say hi. Done eating, now is to cook. Okay, these are the tomatoes I'm using, the Kidland tomato from Costco. I'm using 2 of this. Yeah, it's just for just me and my husband. And this is the tomato paste that I'm using. So this one is for the stew. I'm using this one red bell pepper and this whole pepper. Okay, I already have my onion. I'm using this one. So I'm about to blend this. I'm gonna grab my blender. I have a lot of water in here from the tomatoes, so I'm not going to add anything. I'm not going to add any water. I'm just going to blend it like this. I have my meat stock here. This is for the ogbono soup, while this one is my empty pot for my stew. I just want it to dry so I can add my vegetable oil and then start frying the tomatoes. So I'm gonna add crayfish, pepper, stockfish and all of that good stuff in here and let it boil. Okay, so I'm gonna allow this to get very hot, then I'll start frying it. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of curry, a little bit of Maggi, and a little bit of salt. So I'm gonna let this cook, fry a little bit. So I added my tin tomatoes. I'm gonna start frying this. I'm gonna fry this for like 5 minutes and then I'll add the tomatoes blend to it. Okay, stockfish, my prawn, my pepper, crayfish. So I'm gonna let this cook. Okay, add a little bit of seasoning to this. So it's time to pour my tomato blend. I'm gonna cover this and then let it cook, but I'll come and be checking it from time to time because I don't want it to burn. So now for the ogbono, I'm gonna add my mackerel fish, which is my fresh fish. Only gonna use 4. It's time to add my ogbono. Okay, I'm just gonna add it. I'm gonna keep checking this so it doesn't get burned. This ogbono is from Nigeria. So nice. I'm gonna add this cow skin, and it's also called bomo. Just gonna add it inside. Let's go back to the stew. Yeah, it's cooking. So I added my meat already. It's now to add my okra. Yeah, let me just add my okra and then I'll stir it together. Okay, so time to add the meat stock. I'm just gonna add it now. So I'm gonna let it start cooking again. Stew takes a lot of time to cook, trust me. This one is my fried turkey. I just put it inside. Yeah guys, my face, I'm already tired. Yeah, so I just want to clean up my sink and then I'll just let both foods cook. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Maybe I will not show you the end result, or I will show you when I'm putting, because next for the stew I'm gonna put the meat and put the seasoning. That's it for the soup. I already put the seasoning, it's just cooking. I just need to clean up this whole mess. Yeah, this soup is cooking already. So I added everything, my seasonings, everything is in here already. So I'm just gonna let it cook while the stew is still cooking. Stew takes a lot of time to cook, trust me. Guys, I just want to quickly wash this plate so I just want to quickly clean up this place because my food is almost ready, which is the soup is almost ready, but the stew is still there. I'm still cooking it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, please support your girl. I'm still gonna cook white rice today for the stew. Let me quickly finish this and I'll talk to you guys later. It's not easy. To be a housewife is not easy. This is the soup. Well, yeah, so when you start seeing this, then you know that your food is cooked. The ogbolo is cooked. I'm just gonna turn it down and then I'm good. So now we have the stew left. If you are done with the soup, we just have the stew left, so I'm still cooking it, but I need to go do something. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit so I go finish whatever I want to do, and then I'll come back for the stew. I'll show you guys the finished look. Okay, I'm done cooking. Yeah, you can see the oil. Whenever you see oil coming out, that means your stew is good. Okay, I'm just gonna let this cool and then I'll put it in my freezer. So yeah, guys, woo, I'm done cooking. Yeah, let me use it. Yeah, this place is brighter. So I'm done cooking. So I need to go take my shower, eat, and then relax because I've been working since morning. So guys, I'm just gonna end this vlog here. Please like, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video, you'll be the first to get notified. Please guys, support me. Like, always comment. Put down your comments in the comment section and I will get that done. Okay, get me to 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So I'm just gonna go take my shower and rest. Yeah, I'm done for the day, and also edit some videos. I'm gonna try to put up a video tomorrow. Hopefully I can, but if I cannot, it's okay. So let me go. I'm gonna let the soup cool down and the stew, and then I'm just gonna put them in a container and put it in the fridge. So I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye. Guys, food is ready. So yeah, this is what we have, my stew and my soup. So we have this, and I'm so glad doing this today. My rice is cooking. Yeah, this rice is for the stew. So this is what I'm going to be eating this evening.